Hi guys and welcome back to our quick tutorial on how to use this college portal manager Notion template. If you are a, if you are applying to a college and feel overwhelmed by these deadlines, portals and application tasks, then this template is going to help your life a little bit easier. So let's dive in. First, let's take a look at what's inside this Notion template. On the home page, uh, you will see the toggle labeled quick links, which gives an easy access to all the important pages. These are the important pages, so you can go through there. And below that, you can this page is divided into two columns: dashboards and applications. First, let's look at what. First, let's see the dashboard section. And yeah, first is dashboard itself. This is the main hub. This gives you an overview of your college application deadlines and quick links to other pages. Then when you open a quick links, in the quick links toggle, let's go to the deadlines page. That's the second page. Here you can see all the upcoming deadlines of college applications and portal app portal deadlines, which is color coded, so it's make it easier and show you which ones is urgent. So make sure check this often, make page often to stay on track. Then the third page is recent portal. This page shows you the college portal you have recently accessed. Okay, this shows you the recently accessed portals, so you can quickly jump back to what you would simply quickly jump back to them without searching. Then on the dashboards column, last one is inbox. Use this as the place to capture any uh, new notes or any new college you found. Just need to add here quickly for before forgetting, and you can organize it later. Then now let's move to the application column, where you will find the core pages of managing your college applications. First is college page. This is where you organize all the college you applied to. For each college, you can add details like you can add details like application deadlines, program of interest. Oh, take loading time actually. Let's wait. Okay. uh, you can see the deadlines, program of interest, application type, and the current status of the application. Yeah, here, and so on. This is the one place. This is all in one place, so nothing goes lost. And second page is the portal. Here, where you keep all the portal links, login details. Story. Let's open and see. Take a while. Yeah. Store your username, passwords, and important links so you can quickly log in when you need it. You can also track deadlines for each portals, which make sure you submit everything on time. Now let's go to the third and final page of application column, that is notes. Notice the place to jot down everything related to your college application, like writing an essay idea, prepare for interview, or just keep track of random thoughts. You can tag and categorize your notes to make them easier to find later. Let's make this like new notes. Yeah. Now that you know what's inside, let's talk about how to get started. First, go to the college page. Yeah, and start adding the college you are applying to. And fill your details like application type and status for each application. Then next is portal page. Head to the portal page. Enter your login information for each portals. Add deadlines here too, so you can never miss a submission. And then finally, use the note page. Write down any important information, ideas, tools, so you can plan. You can space to and it's your space actually to keep everything organized. And that's it. And I'm finally adding that. Then you can simply go through each pages like dashboards in the dashboard columns to find the portal's deadline and so on, which help you track on everything. And that's it. The college portal manager Notion template is designed to make your college application process as smooth as possible. With everything organized in one place, you'll never miss a deadline or lose important information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and good luck with your college application. See ya in the next video. Bye.